Yo. What do you guys live in the... What is this?
2017.
Yeah.
You don't want to go 5 feet.
Watch Owen's just gonna jump. Forget it. Your son's freaking out. Your son's freaking out.
He's just gonna fall. Oh my god.
Huh? What are we doing? Uh-oh.
Is everybody out? I totally got that on video.
I was ready to jump in. I was like, oh shit.
I know.
All because Owen got off.
I want to see the arsenal. This is today's 4th of July, 2017. This is Plan A. And this is lack of a dock. This is what you saw last year when the dock blew up. This is why. And that's why.
There's a fountain, the big dog's a fountain. These two here, those two right there are just fountains.
Oh, gotcha.
Those are the New York State legal stuff.
Oh, okay.
Those I bought right here in Bath.
Oh, gotcha.
But everything else come from Pennsylvania.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, if I don't know what they are, what's thing is they have, with the phones now, you can...
Okay, we gotta go to last year.
You can watch a video of the actual firework.
Really?
So you can see what it does.
Yeah,
most of them, not
There's
all
like
of
a whole
them.
community around it.
And the thing is, where I go...
There it is,
in the
see?
store, they have people there that walk people through and explain stuff to them.
Oh, very cool.
They come right to me. And they say,
You're now.
what's your...
There you
what's
go.
Your, what are you spending today?
Here, you can watch it.
They ask
Hold
me
it.
what I'm spending that time, and they'll take me, you need this. I just push the cart, and they're putting stuff in it. You need this for your show, you need this for your show, and you need that.
Very cool.
2016.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
That was last year.
Yeah, you set one off a few minutes ago. And I was like, oh, what was that? My dad's busting up because he knows it. You know. Is this?
Were you over there? Or?
We were on the dock.
Oh.
over here?
We had stuff landing on us the whole time.
Yeah, it's... that one I just did, all that was... I had just one of these 1-inch.
Oh my god.
Oh, is that what that was?
Then I got that box here's 5-inch shells. This is 1-inch.
Oh, jeez.
Then I got this one here, which we let one off last night to see what it was been for.
I think I heard that.
That's the one, that sucker went and
Yeah,
went
way.
and went.
I think
That's
we
one I
heard
couldn't
some of
remember what
those.
They told me that one did. They said you got to get a couple of these.
We were sitting over there. I was like, look at that Pepsi bottle sticking out of the...
Yeah.
Is that what you were talking about?
This thing. I was like, look at this thing. It's like a bazooka. That is really cool.
Yep.
All right. Well, that should be a good time.
It's pretty amazing. We sat on, Dave and I laid on the dock, and there, when that thing exploded, we were like, boosh. I mean, we felt it sitting on the dock. It was crazy.
Oh, that was
10 cents? Oh, Jesus, you should have heard us.
I bet. It almost started some Revolutionary War, right?
Corner Place.
757.
Oh, yeah.
The name of it was called Corner Place.
And then if we got to the Pulaski Club, it was cheaper there because it was a private club.
Because you were a member, you
You were a
paid.
man.
I mean, you remember, or maybe you don't remember, but you know, Prohibition, that didn't work out so well. Like,
No,
you can't
not
mess
at
with
all.
people's alcohol. You can't do that.
Not at all.
You can't mess with people's anything anymore. People want what they want, period.
Yeah, that's the cross.
Like a rock.
You live out at
It's a very popular sport here.
It's a very popular sport in Colorado too. You live right down the street from the team.
Lacrosse
Yeah, man. That's
in Loveland.
around Loveland. I think it's in Loveland.
We have hockey.
No,
We have
I don't have no fun.
hockey.
Corinne, what's the
Hockey.
lacrosse
Tacha
team in
has
Colorado?
hockey.
Colorado.
I thought maybe teenagers might.
We have lacrosse.
I don't know what the F lacrosse is.
You don't know what lacrosse is?
Well, I do now.
Right up there.
I do now.
Our, like every radio station in Colorado promotes lacrosse.
Woo! Oh. Oh. Yeah. That's your daughter.
The girls echo.
That's your daughter screaming. Oh, here comes some. Woo!
Where's the
I wish there was smell-o-vision.